Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In today's session, we'll explore the process of uploading journal entries into NetSuite. This account will serve as our initial example for uploading journal entries via CSV import. Please note its internal ID, as it will be essential for accurate field mapping in the CSV file. This account will serve as the second example in our journal entry CSV import. Please make a note of its internal ID, as we'll be using this in the CSV file as well. In the CSV file, I've included several important columns. The account column contains the internal IDs of the two accounts. I've also added the debit and credit columns. Other fields include the subsidiary's internal ID, Memo, date, posting period, line, and external ID, all of which are required or helpful for proper mapping during the import. I've already created a saved CSV import for this process, but I'll walk you through each step to show you how it's done. In the Import Assistant, start by setting the import type to Transactions, then set the record type to Journal Entry. Next, select the CSV file we prepared earlier for upload. Set data handling as Add and click Next. In the Field Mapping step, map each column in your CSV to the corresponding NetSuite field. Make sure to set the subsidiary and account reference types to internal ID, since that's the format we used in the CSV file. Add an import name for this upload. Once everything looks good, click Save and Run to start the import process. Looking at the job status, we can see that the import was successful. Let's proceed to review the journal entry. Please navigate through Transactions, Financial, Make Journal Entries, List. Click on the View link next to the journal entry to open its details. Upon opening the journal entry, you'll see that it has been successfully created with the correct accounts and amounts as specified in the CSV import. This confirms that the journal entry upload process was successful. Thank you for watching this tutorial on uploading journal entries via CSV import in NetSuite.